Today, we will be exploring custom groups in Edugens. Custom groups allow you to share student information with teachers and staff who are not linked to them in your student information system. Custom groups can be created by the users who have authorization to see students linked to them, and then share those groups with staff who have a valid educational need to see those students. It is up to the creator of the group to make sure they are only sharing the group with staff who have a valid need to see them. Now we will move on to show you how to create custom groups. First, click on the Students tab in the left-hand sidebar. Here, we'll be able to choose the students we want in the custom group. For example, we will choose Anderson Elementary and 3rd grade and then click the play button. Next, I will choose the students I want in my custom group. Then, click this blue icon labeled Student Group. A pop-up should appear where you must name the group and add a description if needed. Make sure this name is unique and not used previously to create a group. If Edugens does not allow you to save a group, it is very likely because the name has been used elsewhere by you or someone else. So try changing the name. Then click Save. Once the group has been created, it will remain in Edugens for the rest of the school year unless the creator of the group deletes it. All custom groups will be deleted every year when Edugens rolls over to the new school year. After creating this group, go to the Custom Group tab on the left-hand sidebar. You should be able to see the group you created and the details you provided. This includes the name, description, date updated, number of students, and allowed groups. When I click on the custom group, a new tab will open up. Here, there are two views, a card and a table view. In this table view, you will be able to see their campus, ID, name, grade, most recent STAR scores for reading and math, most recent MAP scores, absences, and disciplinary information. Here, we are going to focus on the Settings tab in the top left dropdown. Only the owners, super users, and system administrators can go to the Settings tab. In this Settings tab, I can share the group with other users who are not linked to these students in the student information system. If you want to give an entire role access to this group, go to the User Group section. For example, if I check the Assistant Principal box, it will give access to all assistant principals in your district. Be careful since all staff in the district with these chosen roles will be able to see the group. If you only want to give access to individual users, I can use the Allowed Users box. First, click Add User and then search for the user. For example, if I search for Smith, all users with Smith will show up. Then I will select the users and click Save. Then when the pop-up closes and you are finished with adding staff, click Save. If you want to add students to an already created group, head to the Add Student tab. Here you can enter filters and click the play button to find students you want added to the group. After selecting the students you want to add, click the orange icon labeled Add to Custom Group. If you want to delete students from the group, head to the Delete Students tab and check the boxes for the students you want removed. After selecting the boxes, click the Delete button in the upper right corner. From the other person's point of view, all they have to do is go to the Custom Students tab and the shared custom group should appear there. From that page, they will be able to see all the information for those students as a group. This includes STAR scores, MAP scores, attendance, etc. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on creating and sharing custom groups. Thanks and happy teaching.